May isang pumunta dito for the seminar yesterday at nakapag-usap kami ng maganda related to the business that she wants to open. So basically, ang gusto niya lang talaga is maging busy. And I told her, why do you want to be busy? Sabi niya, I'm a nursing assistant. I will not share your name, don't worry. Hi, ma'am. You know who you are. And my story is like this. I have a cancer. And thanks God, maganda daw yung insurance niya, kaya that's how important it is. Na check na may cancer siya, kaya umuwi siya sa Pilipinas at tinry niyang kunin yung kanyang anak. And then, yung anak niya, may 3 siyang anak. Yung panganay niyang anak, may jowa na, mas busy na yun doon. So, syempre, malungkot siya. Yung bunso niyang anak, which is only 18 years old, nagkaroon na rin ng jowa. Babae. We can say the favorite or the apple of the eye. Binilan niya ng 2 years na visa. And then, a few days before the flight, medyo nagkaroon sila ng hindi pagkakaintindihan at nagmakaawa siya doon sa anak niya na sumama dito sa UAE kasi kumpleto naman na yung mga documentations niya. Dahil alam mo naman yung worries ng mga magulang, ang gusto lang nila ay mapaayos yung kanilang mga anak. Hanggang sa nagkalubog-lubog siya sa utang, nirebook niya ng mga tickets, rebook agad, rebook na naman. Nagmamakaawa siya sa anak niya na sumama na sa kanya dito sa UAE to think katatapos lang ng opera niya. And the only way that she will become happy is to be with her daughter and she will be satisfied na maging mas maayos yung future ng daughter niya. Pero mas pinili ng daughter niya na sumama doon sa kanyang jowa, which is only 17 years old. Hanggang sa nag-give up na lang siya, sabi niya kailangan ko bumalik talaga at kailangan ko maghanap buhay dahil kailangan pa siya ng mga anak niya na nag-aaral ng college. I asked her, humihingi pa ba ng tulong sa iyo yung anak mo? And sabi niya, hindi, sabi naman nila, kaya na nila, pero I'm still insisting na tulungan sila. Ang dahilan kung ba't siya nagpunta kahapon dito is just to have a business, to open a license. And I'm helping her to open a license. I'm so happy na sa akin pumupunta ang ating mga kakababayan para po bumili ng kanilang mga visa. Not only the visa, but also their licenses to open their businesses, to open their contents, to make their own websites, and all their marketing requirements. Because we have a whole team to help you. We also do the PRO services, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, you are in a one-stop shop. Nandito na kami and we will help you. And I'm also willing to be your friend and to listen as a mom. She is a mom and I'm very, very thankful for trusting us about your story. I did not say your name, so don't worry, you are safe. And thank you for giving us the chance to hear you.